Oh, I was muted this whole time. Unbelievable. Technology, these technology things, not good. No, you're more useless than a fighter. No, I wasn't. I wasn't getting a haircut. I was just doing some one-on-ones and getting a snack, and then the other one-on-one had a meeting to go to. So then I have an extra hour. An extra hour. Anyways, moving on. Um, yeah, I was paper trading futures, by the way, Pizza. This is futures, scalpies. So, but anyways, moving on. Moving on. Yeah, be careful which dips you buy, though. Please be careful which dips you buy. Uh, what a crazy run for these two stonks. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Repost it. Like it. Very nice. La, la, la. Afternoon. Okay. I think that should be all the stonks really that we're looking at. There we go. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like again, guys. How did you do? I 4 trades, all wins, Peter. The small, yeah, some good lessons though. Um, some good lessons because on the last one I definitely made some mistakes. The DWAC run, yeah. Let's see if we can stay above 54. 54 is like the breakout retest. Beta, Larry, beta. Anyways, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. Yeah, no, I was muted. Should be good now. See, I still don't know what it is. Every time I leave the stream and I come back to the stream, it's colder. Feels like it's chilly. I don't know what it is. Your day trading Mimo? Nice. Yeah, no, RVSN is another one that's done well. Rumble has done really well. Really, really well. Right, since hitting that 515 level, it's done really, really well. The good thing with these guys is, like we mentioned earlier, they actually had a catalyst, right? So Rumble, very nice. Fun is struggling. It is struggling. It almost did the same thing yesterday, though, right? Again, Dave. Yeah, smash a like again. Yeah, Fun almost did the same thing yesterday, where like it seemed really tired, and then at the end of the day, without an offering, it can actually push again. Push, 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 push. Very cool. Very, very cool. Let's go, guys. Yeah. So share the link again on your favorite platform on Stock Tweets. Let me know when you do, so I can yeah. Let me know. Ready, Tesh? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, so this one looks interesting. 75 to 85. Hmm. What's the X date for this one here? Let's go. I'm just looking at some long-term dividends, you know. Okay, that one is not a wait till like middle of the month. Anyways, anyways, anyways. A pre-workout called the Useless Goats, like a pre-workout. Oh, I see. I thought you meant like a pre-workout jam, like music. Pre-workout jams. Uh, Great. Yeah, 350. That's the price for bets. Yeah, back in the day, you know, when the dollar was. Anyways, what's the S&P doing? What a stupid thing. When is it gonna crash, blended? When? When? I do think it's interesting though, as they're burning these premiums. So, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let me. I don't think we've zoomed out at all on this. The on DWAC, just because, just because we know the levels by heart for the most part. So the last time DWAC was at this price, guys, we were having fun. The last time DWAC was at $60 almost. That was when it had that crazy. Remember these? Remember these rockets, guys? Remember this? We've had some fun with DWAC. We've had some fun with DWAC. Yeah. uh, uh, anyways, a pre-workout is something you can take before you go to the gym. It's not a cookie pre. I know, I know. Remember these rockets, guys? Remember when the Moose would leave Canada and we had all these rockets? DWAC went from $12 all the way to $178, $75. Wasn't that crazy? I mean, we were using all kinds of memes. You want to see like oh yeah, Peter made this one, I think. Yeah, Peter made this one. I don't know how he did it, but we were riding, you know, we were riding from the mountains of Canada to the deserts of the USA. We were riding, riding, riding. Ooh, can I copy this? Oh no, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. I'm just gonna take a screenshot. That's not gonna work either. It's not gonna work. La 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 la. Okay. DWAX. Without a Mountie hat, hey? Yes. Yes. Anyways, New Alice is pumping. Yeah, that's been another really good one. Anyways, so we're back to having fun with the Moose, guys. All we're missing now are these rockets. You know, I want to get the Moose to where we're at now. Okay, Moosey. Okay, Musi Musi. They're buying. They're buying. You are paying. Okay, good job. Good job. From the village. Where's the moose? Okay, there's the moose, guys. When once as long as we have the moose on the chart, there's always hope. This is yes. We ride to the far far away lands of gains. You know. Anyways, come on, moose. It's one of the village people in reality. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Come on, moose. At $12 that morning. Oh yeah, Pablo. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. I remember now. Yeah. What a guy. What a guy. And what a guy. There goes $57, guys. Isn't that impressive? My goodness. I think this I was planning on going back upstairs actually. To see what the price is at. The price. And what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. Come on. To the left, to the right. And what? Go. And what? And thrust. Go, 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 go. Come on. When Lambo, when Lambo, go Pizza, go Virgo, and what? And thrust. And what? Go, 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 to the window, to the wall, screw, screw, go, and slide to the left, and slide to the right, and what? And thrust, and what? Come on, go, 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 and thrust, and what? And thrust. Come on, go, 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 and thrust. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Go, 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 and thrust. Let's go. Thank you, Spider-Man. Bye bye. I have so many copyrights for this Spider-Man thing. It's not even funny. But that's when we would play the videos though. Rumble is on fire, guys. Rumble is on fire. Rumble is at $7 now. Almost. Almost, almost, almost. Impressive, isn't it? Very nice. Very, very nice. That's pretty funny. Yeah, pretty funny. Oh yeah, you mean I see. Yeah, yeah. So $7 resistance there for that thing. DWAC is failing on the downtrend, right? So what are we thrusting for? We're thrusting because FUN is still failing at 45 cents, guys. So for some reason, we can't really break above and stay above that level. So like I said, this one looks a bit exhausted, but it's almost the exact same pattern that it had yesterday, right? Exact same, which is that's for sure. Exact same thing, like slow at the end, but then for some reason, no offering after hours, and then the thing actually moved. So yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So then we expect a push later? Maybe, 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 maybe. I hope so. Yeah, it's the exact same thing. So if I go back to like yesterday, Vision, what's your position? Visio, what's your position? So if I go back to yesterday, it's kind of this exact same rubbish. We found resistance as DWAC was pushing for $50. This was fun yesterday, right? It just kept it kept hitting resistance, and then eventually we broke down, right? And then it went sideways again, and then after hours, people kind of waited for a bit. No offering came, and then boom skis. So is that going to be this? It's doing the exact same thing today, like exact same, right? So I don't know. As long as they don't do an offering, though. Vizio, what's your position in RVSN? No, it doesn't anymore. It doesn't anymore. So yeah, but then it's performed. It's actually outperformed DWAC though, right? So it's outperformed DWAC. So we're kind of feeling on that downtrend now. The moose. It's the moose, guys. The moose. The moose. At 467. Okay. Oh wow, beautiful entry, Vizio. What's your stop loss at now? You have a really good entry. You can put a stop loss anywhere you want. Right? Well done. Well done. Well done. Yeah. I mean, you can take some profits off the table. That's like it's up 200%, right? You can take half off the table and then set a stop loss on the other half, and you should still be okay. You know? Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Rumble tuna on the picture, yeah. We're in the moose market. We're in the moose market, guys. This is the moose market. Na, 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 na. Uh, anyways, oh yeah, Gail. Yes, you were finally able to do it. Okay, fire, Gail. Love it. I'm waiting for my stream to load because it's not loading for some reason. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, please and thank you. Smash a like, share the link. It would be really amazing if you could. Yeah. So yeah, if you can share the link, that would be amazing. If you're not a member yet, come join us. Gil, let's go. Gil is a legend now. A legend. Love the legends. Uh, welcome, Gil. With the confidence, yeah, Gil was trying to upgrade to legend and it wasn't working, so then he had to cancel the membership for like 2 weeks, and then finally let him upgrade. Hi, Lincoln. Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, no, Rumble has resistance at $7 there. Um, so we're going sideways again. Sideways again. Sideways again. I can't believe we left this damn thing in the chart though. Wow, ZJYL is pumping again. Yeah, I think Bunny mentioned it earlier too. Yep, 206. Damn. That's crazy. I'm surprised that thing is still at that price. Surprised it's still at that price. La, la, la. Long, Wes? You're adding long, like you believe in it long term? That's free creative freedom. Yes, please. I mean, to scale is like, 1 to 1, anyways. That's a baby moose. Nope. This picture is done to scale. Anyways, 105%. That's crazy, Jack. Crazy, crazy. There goes RVSN. Yeah, the moose is actually a donkey. No, no, no. They're going to have to split soon. Your thoughts on DWAC if Trump wins today? My thoughts is we're pumping into him winning, so the pricing in a win. Right. So if he doesn't, you're gonna look around and your clothes are not gonna be anywhere to be found. Okay. So If you're in some nice profits, you're better off scaling out into the close. And if he wins, I almost expect a gap up, but then it's going to immediately sell off. And then we're going to wait for the next primary, like the next vote, right? So he wins, we gap up, sell off. Either way, we sell off. He loses, we sell off. So just be careful, please. You never know with these things overnight, so be careful, please, and thank you. Alrighty, be careful, be careful. So if you have like what I'm saying, if you have a really good entry, you could keep it till tomorrow, and you should be okay, right? This is like another Bitcoin thing. Remember that, Virgo, right? Again, a lot of excitement. We go into the event. It does gap up when the ETF is approved, but then immediately it starts crashing, and then it doesn't go back up, right? So whenever people expect something to happen and the market is pricing in that thing to happen, this pump is happening because people know what's coming tonight and people expect him to win, right? So when he does win, the market is like, okay, now what? Well, I guess I'll take my money and go home, right? Taking my ball home. The ad vision. So 300. So I see like you're up 200%. I think you can move that stop loss any way you want. If I was in that same position, I would not go any, like my stop loss would be around like just below like 650 already. Like you can even go below this bottom here that's at 614. Either way, you're in some really nice profits. You can be as aggressive as you want. Yeah, you really yeah. Oh no 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 no. Okay, perfect. Yeah, it really is. It really has done well, Phase. I'm surprised this thing has done well today, Pablo. As well as it has. It's done some nice higher lows. So 40 cents, 41 is your next resistance, Donald. So if you can break above that level, that's cool. That is very cool. Very, very cool. Consolidating, it's such a unique trade. It's hard to account for. I get that, Visio. I get that. Still, though, it's up 200%. Right, it's not very common that a stock goes up 200% in the same day, right? And then the next day it's holding those gains. Usually it decides to give them away. So 219, 222. Interesting name. Um ZJ YL. My goodness, that thing is halted again, isn't it? 110%. Yup. Isn't that crazy? Crazy, crazy, crazy. No dipskis, just straight thrusting. Bunny has been spamming this one in stock general. So, well done, Bunny. Yeah. ZJYL. Oh, I think you think has to do with Trump, or when it's a squeeze. I guess it's because of yeah, exactly. It's like it's Trump. Um, all of these names, it's all Trump. It's going to $500. I mean, that would be nice. The last time it moved, it went to $600. So yeah, yeah. No, I think all people need, Virgo, is a catalyst. They need a catalyst. They need a date. Same thing for fun, right? These things have been pumping and they haven't crashed because people have this date to look forward to. It's like Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is going from 37, 40 to 45, right? Everybody has a date. So it's like, okay, do I want to sell it before the thing comes out? Nope, I don't want to sell it, right? But then as soon as the thing happens, it's like, okay, well, maybe there's nothing else to look forward to. My vote is in. If DWAC goes to 50, my vote is in. What do you mean? 50 plus? It's already at 56, Joe. So you're telling me that your vote was already in when it broke above 50? Joe's like, oh, never mind. It's already at 50. It went to 57, 58. My vote is in. Okay, there you go. Well, we know who Joe's voting for. So, $90 calls. Yeah, that's a nice run. It's a very nice run. So congratulations, especially if you're holding those calls. I think M was holding those calls, maybe some ridiculous calls that were up 2,700% yesterday. Imagine what they're at today. 2,700% in one day, right? Imagine what those calls are at today, and they expire on Friday. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Joe's gonna be buying puts tomorrow. You're welcome, Vizio. Yeah, plug power is a funny one too. Volume looks insane. Yeah, yeah. Yup, yup, yup. I'm surprised she's not here, celebrating. Like, let's go, let's go, let's go. TikTok. Well, let's go, DWAC. Let's go, let's go, DWAC. If I'm off, I'm rolling a fat one, and to start off the day, you need some rain then. Looks like we're finding a lot of resistance for RVSN, anywhere from like 720 to 750, 760. So Rumble has resistance at $7. Fun, obviously 45 cents. FAZE is back and pumping, guys. Oh my goodness. No way. They bench Onana. Onana's a clown. Like, dude is you know, wow. That's cool. Well, at least now Manchester United knows what to do. Bench him. I don't know why they signed the dude. Had the yeah, I don't know why they did that. Um, that's amazing. Peter once had Onana on his team, you know. There goes FaZe, guys. FaZe is pumping 43 cents, 180%. Donald is just smiling. Donald, dinner is on you today. You know that, right? On you, Donald. So send it to 50 cents. Send it to 50 cents. A long time ago, he's no longer allowed to call himself. Actually, I wouldn't want. I need to find a new country. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, I see. I like Canadians, country interesting. Cameroon, um, same type of concept. Nice people. Country rubbish. Renounce is yes. I need a Dominican citizenship, Pablo. What do we need to do? Doesn't want to call himself Canadian. Hey yo, we need a new country. Dominican Republic. I accept your invitation. Let's go. Uh, this morning and saying 33 cents is too late to get in Visio. Yeah, it's done really well. Done really well. It's the breakouts. Like the breakouts are fun. Do, 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 do. Educated for more. It's so close to 50 though, but yeah. It is Pablo. Okay, good. BRCC. My goodness, all these names are pumping. It's almost like these dudes are rotating monies. BRCC. BRCC. Yeah, that's a really nice push. Super slow, but it's moving in the right direction. This is another Trump name, by the way. So the volume is nice. Let me see what the daily looks like. Hmm. It's at 2 days of running. 2 days. Micro runnings. Not a huge, not a huge run, like the other. Classic Physique says you made 2,500 all in 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, you must have had a crazy position then if you did that. Big position, Classic. Yeah, DWAC is dipping. The moves became resistance. All right, so we're dipping again. Lots and lots of resistance at 57, 56. So yeah, dipping. Well done, well done. Yeah, when you have that much money, you're gonna short with 100. Oh my goodness. Yeah, when you have that much money and you buy 1,000 shares and that thing skips as much as it does, you can make some money quickly, right? I mean, we saw how quickly this thing skipped, right? From like 50. I mean, look at how quickly this thing moves. So yeah, you can make money quick. What medicine do you sell? It's the ask virus. Where's virus? Yeah. Anyways, phase is still pumping. $50. 43 cents. Are you kidding me? Okay, well, I need to close that. Okay, okay. Mm, take a look at this one. Okay, look at this one. Highs of the day, and then this. No. Where you going, Joe? Okay, you have to run. Done for the day. Good job, Classic. Good job. See you tomorrow. See you later. Joe, have a wonderful afternoon and see you later. Huh. Signal, signal, signals. Yeah, it's a stupid ghost. A stupid ghost. Okay. Okay, sounds good. No, 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 no. 12, 13, 14. 17, 20. What? Anyways, some ridiculous yields. Ridiculous. Is anybody holding a phase in the chat? Phase? Oh my goodness. Look at, oh my god. What? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Everybody said educated FOMO Virgo. They said, you know what, Donald? Impressive. You're crying? You must be up like thousands of dollars, Donald. Thousands of dollars. Yeah. Are you taking some monies off the table? 211%. Donald has been holding this thing for like forever and waiting. So 216%. Donald is very happy. Yeah, $4,000. You're up $4,000 in this. Congratulations. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well done. I just wanted to. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, perfect. 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 Let's see. ENSC, OTK, JY today. Okay, cool. Cool. You're loving the penny stocks, yeah. You're in at 44 out of 48. Well done, Yi. Well done. Well done. 700 shares. Don't laugh. I mean, that's monies, Virgo. That's monies. Anyways, again, if you're not a legend member yet, okay, the first stock that was posted this morning in the legend channel, well, I call it the legend channel, right? The first name that was posted this morning was FAZE when the news came out, right? So if you're not a legend member, you're missing out on some of these early pre-market runners, right? From 20 cents to 50 cents. Pretty nice run. Pretty nice run. Well, I say 20 cents because that's kind of where we dipped to after the market opened, but it's not really that, is it? Mm-mm. It is not. So if you're not a legend member, you're missing out. Missing out. So highs of 51 pennies, almost 51. Crazy. We wanted chaos, guys. We wanted chaos. You have been missing out, and it's the channel that says breaking news. It's the channel that says breaking news, and so yeah. Breaking news. Nah. Just make sure you pay yourself at some point, Donald. This company will do an offering at some point. It's in the it's like it's that's it's in, like it's in the fine print. All the time. Okay, good. Yeah. Exactly. That's a good dinner. Exactly. Nah. Exactly. Bullfrog is pumping. Nice. I think today is the type of day that we wanted, and hopefully this is the beginning of like what's happening the rest of the year. We had some slowness. We're back to the chaos. Rumble is dipping, guys. Surprise? Nope. So is DWAC, and so is Fun, right? So they're all kind of dipping. So don't be greedy with the gains, please. Pay yourself. You're not wrong. Okay, let me message. La 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 la. It's deep hour. That is true. Yeah. Deep hour. Deep, 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 deep. Anyways, let me go back to Phase because Phase is on fire. My goodness. My goodness. 52 cents now. Highs of 53. 230%. Heads rocketing, isn't it? Farze, 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 Phase, Farze. Oh my goodness. Jesus. That thing is wild. Wild. 55 cents. 55 cents. On fire. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of one of these. One of those. Okay, perfect. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, I would really appreciate that. If you could take a second and smash a like. Smash it again. Yeah, alrighty. Thank you. Thank you. 57. I see. Like the break of the yeah. I like when you do that, but when it's also like a nice, like smaller breakout. When it's having massive runs like this to the breakout zone, I'm always a little bit skeptical. But it's done really well. You know, done really, really well. Rumble, Rumble. Yeah, Rumble is still dip skiing a little bit here. Dip skiing. You left to go to the bathroom. Welcome back, because it's still pumping. Let's see. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Lots and lots of resistance there. Lots and lots of resistance there. 86. Okay, perfect. Okay. 82. 200. Okay, perfect. Yeah, Donald, please put a stop loss. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Alrighty. Yeah, really, really good news for the stock. But as we've seen, these stocks all end up crashing, especially for this one. Especially for this one, right? And hopefully they don't do an offering after hours. I almost expect them to. Almost expect them to say, you know what, guys, we do offering. We need monies. Even though they just signed the 200 million sportsing deal or whatever the thing was. 48. Okay, nice. You're guaranteed to take a few $1,000s off the table, so that's good. Well done. Well done. Sit back and enjoy the show. Yes. Yeah, it's nice when you're in that position. It's nice. You sit back and enjoy. Sit back and enjoy. And these guys are like, oh, you set your stop loss for where? For where? Yeah, the previous breakout, 48. Yeah. Yep. 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 No, 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 no. Interesting. Hmm. Okay. Huh. Sit back and relax. Is Rumble consolidating yet? Actually, it dropped to $6. Wow, interesting spot. Interesting area. Not bad. Yeah, we're just hitting a nice supply zone there for phase. So not surprised that it's struggling a little bit. Struggling a little bit. you know. Na, 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 na. Come on. Back to 51. It feels T-Rexy. It does. But the good thing is that it's still holding above the 9. So, yeah, and there goes your push again. Depending where this candle decides to close at. And it's almost back to 54 cents. Like, it looks really good. So, yeah, with the T-Rex, it just has to close below the 9, and then you have a proper T-Rex. But, yeah. Yep. DWAC is also bouncing off that $50, which is perfect. Perfect. Rumble is really bouncing there now. What's Fun doing? Fun is kind of consolidating 42.50. Yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. Yeah, the red zone. The red zone is holding it. It's like, hey, you want to go? No, you will not go anywhere. You shall not pass. You shall not pass. A little RUM here with the tight stop loss for gamble play Rumble. Okay. Yeah, just be aware that your resistance is 640. Between 640 and 645, you have the kernel, that's the 20, and then the 200. So that little 5 cent range is going to be a bit of an obstacle. 640, 645. And then eyeball, Netflix always does that though, because they report earnings and then people know to expect volatility. Oh yeah, Netflix calls and puts like it's when earnings are coming up. Oh yeah, they're ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. $15? That's ridiculous. Yeah, I stay away from Netflix. Fun with a nice little fun pop. A nice little fun pop. La, 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 la. Rumble is still fighting. Fighting ye. Waiting for the close of the candle. Okay. It's fighting. There it goes. Fighting, fighting still. Will it close above? Will it close above? It's trying. You're in it? Okay. Well, now pray for the close above and then the pop. You may have addressed this before. What are my thoughts, Justin? What's your position in plug? Let me know. Yeah, let me know. So that candle is still. So we have 2 seconds, and we're closing exactly at the. Yeah. So hopefully this candle breaks out though, because it closed exactly or like 1 penny above like the chrono, which is good. It's like well closing and or above is a good thing. So there goes your little push. Nah, nah. Yeah, Katie, I know what you're saying. They both. It's almost like identical to what happened yesterday with some of these stocks. 58. Okay. Well, first things first. Let's see if we can close above the 200. Yeah, 140, 645. 645. No, 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 no. Spy is above. That's crazy, isn't it? We just keep pumping. So we failed to close above 645 for now and then backed off. So the 200 is going to become a problem, right? So we'll see. So you have 170 shares at $3.30. And the ticker symbol again is plug. Okay, let me take a look. Plug power. Plug power. So you're in at $3.30. You're green in that position for now, which is good. I think these guys had news. Government loan. Okay, so they're potentially getting a loan. Okay. Um, I think you're fine for now. If this thing isn't green tomorrow, and then I think you have a problem. But for now, you have a nicer entry because you're green in that position. If it stays above $3.20, I think you're okay. If we go below $3.20 today or tomorrow or whenever, I think you have a problem. You might be selling off again to $2 or 240 or whatever the number is. But for now, stay above 320. If you want to set a stop loss in the green, you can because you're green anyways. So a few things you can do. Alrighty. Alrighty. Phase is yeah, that supply zone failed. Right? Supply says nope, there's too much red, too much blood, too much redness. Doug, congratulations. Well done. Uh nah. Yeah, strong resistance. You're welcome, Justin. What do you think? I mean, yeah, that's a good question actually. That's a very good question. It's a very good question. GMBL. I'm surprised we haven't talked about it yet. Doug, ayo. Yeah, I mean, it is up 11%. Minus $27. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, it looks interesting. GMBL. This might actually be something to watch after hours, right? I do like the level that it's coming from. The float is super nice, right? Nice support at $2. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good, especially if it starts picking up momentum after hours. I think that looks good. It's testing highs of the day. So yeah, it looks interesting actually. I bet you someone just forwarded in the chat. That's why we just had that fat green candle. Don't let you trade, Peter. Why? Tomorrow is Peter. I beg, oh, I beg. Don't trade. Don't trade, Peter. Please. Oh, Powell, that's next Wednesday, Peter. Unless something else is happening tomorrow, which I don't know of. Powell is next Wednesday, the 31st. That's the next Fed meeting. Unless he's speaking tomorrow at some other conference that I don't know about. Maybe he is, but Peter, yeah. You thought it was this? No, it's the 31st, which is next Wednesday. Next Wednesday. Spy couldn't hold it. Yes. Um, yeah, so you're you're good to go for now, Peter. As long as phase hit 56 46 46 80, and it's bouncing back to 50. So yeah, I wonder why they're, well, I mean, if we had the Fed meeting tomorrow, I would know why they're doing that today, but wonder why they're going to do that all week, just sideways. Crazy spy, crazy markets, crazy. Interesting. Okay, I've closed that. Where do you set a trailing stop loss on these runners? 10% loss and it stopped out. Yeah, no, 10% is too tight, Cliff. Now, when something is this volatile, 10% is too tight. Yeah, when you're nicely in the green like that, you want to start looking for like anywhere from like above 10% to 20%. Yeah, so yeah, 10% is too tight when something is volatile. The percentage depends on the volatility of the stock, right? Because on some stocks, like 10% is good enough. Like when it's slowly moving up, 10% is perfect. When you're looking at these crazy things, like 10% is nothing, nothing at all. You get executed in 2 seconds. You know? Yeah, you got stopped out at. Do you know the price you got stopped out at, Cliff? Do you know? So I mean, it looks like Rumble is Rum is trying to go for that 45 again, the 200 EMA they use, so it's gonna need to break it. RVSN, oh my goodness, that's an ugly candle. Sheesh, 620, and then immediate pop. GMBL is still fighting, guys, for that 240. So if we can break above, that would be good, actually. Tremendous. Pat, you in at 537. Richard, what's your stop loss at? What is your stop loss at? Let me know. Lets me know. Now take a look. Johnny, yeah, yeah, safe. Yep, yep. You got in at $5.37. When did you buy this thing, Richards? When did you buy this thing, Richards? I will. So you better not have bought this thing like right there. You did. You bought it at the double top, didn't you? You bought it right there, and then your stop loss is $5. Okay. Stop loss five. Well, you're very close to that stop loss. I hope it doesn't hit. Yeah, I hope it doesn't hit. Uh, Jump change is better than no change. Yep, not wrong. Not wrong. Yeah, at this point, honestly, like at this point, you're better off asking me, like, what do you think about this for an entry? You're better off asking me and let me say, you know what? No, that's a double top, right? You're better off doing that because now when you ask me at the bottom, I don't know what to tell you. There's really nothing I can tell you, right? Other than like hope that the stop loss doesn't hit. That's about it. At 350, Vladimir. Okay, wow. Why is everybody buying plug? Everybody's loving unplug. Well, I mean, again, it's coming from a really nice discount. So as long as it stays up there, uh, yeah. Why are you streaming? Did you get lonely? I did, Josh. No, I had an extra hour because one of the one-on-ones had a meeting to go to. So then we just came on because DWAC was going crazy. Everything was going crazy. So yeah, it's been a chaotic day as we wanted, Josh. We wanted chaos. We have chaos, right? Multiple stocks at 200% today. Lots and lots of other opportunities. So let's go. Let's go. By the way, Josh, I got the monies. Oh yeah, you responded. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. How do we with na 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 na. Chaos delivered. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see if we can. I don't know if we can play anything today though, Josh. We might have to look for like maybe a swing, something. But has a life? I don't have a life. I don't have a life. Might just be the most confusing thing you've ever seen, Vizio. I mean, yeah, I know. Sheesh, look at that drop. Oh my goodness. You know what's funny though? Like, not funny, but it came back down to that level that we talked about, that 620. Right, it's bounced off that level twice already. So then it came for the third time and then just exploded. There's a lot of resistance here at 750. I think we mentioned that earlier. 750. Yeah. I don't have a live, Johnny. My I mean, I spend all the time with you guys. So what do you mean? Is that they used up their reverse split, but you feel okay? Hmm. Musty has a lot of resistance. Well, I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, I do not know what to tell you. RVSN, crazy. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you are new, and if you're not a member yet, if you want to come join us in Discord, click the link at the bottom there from Nightbots. Become a member. Sign up at the right level. Legend, Goats, Discord community, one of those three levels, and come join us in Discord. Already, good. Stop missing out. Okay, okay, okay. Good, 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 good. La, 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 la. uh, anyways, how are those signals coming through actually? Hmm, interesting. Come on, DWAC. Let's get one more run into the close, please. Rumble is actually breaking. Well, I mean, it broke above the 200, pushed, and then came back. Alrighty, so let's see if we can kind of consolidate above the 200 EMA here. FUN is still creeping up, so it's not completely dead yet. If we break above 45, I think then it's gonna be fun. And then phase went from 54, 56, back to 45, 40, 43 actually. So Donald, good job on that stop loss, right? Because you can always buy back lower if you need to. And then NVVE, yeah, that thing is all over the place, right? So you would have been again like Richard, you would have been so much safer looking for a demand zone. You know what I mean? Like you would have been so much safer waiting for that thing to crash to a demand zone and then you buy it instead of buying the double tops all the way in the middle of no man's land, because that's no man's land, right? These are random levels versus like all the way high and then a little bit of support. So when you're looking for these entries, try not to just it did, JMac. Congratulations! Wow, that's a really good intuition, really good instincts. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, sounds good. Wait, that's not loading. Let's Let's make monies, Josh. Let's make monies. Read in silence. What is this? I don't know. Just had to listen to some rubbish. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just listening to something. Anyways, how far will BTC bleed out? I mean, what are we at now? 39. Well, I guess we're struggling below. So, I mean, you're still looking for like anywhere between 38 and 36. Or whenever we decide to cross back above the 200 until someone plugs the word. Whenever we decide to bleed out and then consolidate or crawl back above the 200, whenever that happens, then you have that will be your go signal. Alrighty, DWAC is still holding $50, which is nice. We're basically closing around the same range, aren't we? Um, what kind of a plug? Frozen? No, I was muted. What's Rumble doing? Rumble is still slowly creeping up here. You almost got the price target. You just it was just a weird spot. Look at Phase though. Phase is going back to the abyss, right? So this is why it's important to take these profits because if Donald was still holding that thing from 48 cents, well, it's at 42 cents now. So you would lose a lot of money holding these scam stocks. Yeah, these little scammy stocks. Na 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 na. Falls on its face. Farze. Uh, you know what? Next time, you guys. Anyways, done. 1650 CYN. No, that thing has done really well. Did you sell those calls by the way for DWAC M? I know you were up 2700% yesterday. Did you sell them? I know you bought new ones. Did you sell those new ones, or are you still holding them? Not like I call you M, but I think your name is pronounced different. To say, yeah, it makes it more fancy. It does. Farze, face, Farze. I like saying Farze. I always said Farze until Pablo. But yeah, cool. Farze. Na 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 into yeah, no, Emma does well with those options virus. 43 cents. I sure did. Rumble, yeah. I feel like everything is just kind of consolidating for now. Deciding if we pump into the close or if we crash into the close. So just waiting to see which direction we pick. No, I think it will be. No, no. Uh, na 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 na. Perfect. No, that's okay. That's okay, Johnny. That's okay. Um, there's nothing wrong with silence. You averaged up on Mara in the riot? Okay. Rumble 658. 658. La, la, la. SNCCG, yeah. And you're doing well, Johnny? Doing well? Na, na, na. Yeah, those damn Netflix calls are way too expensive. Uh, yes, sir. Na, na. 7 years with a real use case. XRP. When you say boom, I'm like, oh, is SPY crashing? I'm like, come on, come on, come on, let there be a crash. Oh my goodness. The damn thing is pumping, virus. SPY is at the damn highs of the day, isn't it? We will never dip. We will never ever dip. What the hell is going on? What do we need? Like, what does the market need to go down? What? How the hell did we end up at new highs of the day? And if we break above like 485, then we're going for new all-time highs. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. What do you mean go down? I mean like the S&P, you know? Like when dipskis. When dipskis. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Na 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 na. I spy corruption. Me too, Gail. Me too. Corruption. Anyways, who's corrupting it? Somebody. I don't know who. I don't know who. No, 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 no. Exists in the Legitech. The coin is useless. People have the wrong perception about the project. With will be reflected, but the way people think, yeah, yeah, yeah. I think I think the big money understands that, Josh, and like just exactly that. I think that's why it hasn't moved as much as people expected it to move. You know, somebody 605. Yeah, it is. It is coming back. Yeah, the people that have the monies know, and they're like, whatever. Retail is like, come on, $6, $10, when? Yeah. Kept playing. No. Will make its gains, but it's not going to be thousands of dollars. No, I don't think so either. Yeah, it's not going to be the ridiculous price targets. Let's just let that thing get back above $1. Well done, Greg. You made 184% on RVSN. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Oh, 5 and 4. Okay. Uh, 40 cents. You bought the dipskis? Okay, nice. Yeah, that's a nice dip. See, that's good, right? You saved 8 cents and you got back in. Beautiful. Love it. It's not even worth a look. So much opportunity in other cryptos. Yeah. Yeah. Unless you have a nice entry, like anything around 30 cents is a nice entry for XRP. That thing cannot break below 30 cents. Just keeps bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. XRP. We have what, 45 minutes left? Less. Before the market closes. So make your decisions, guys. Are you holding stuff overnight? Are you holding into the close? Are you selling everything? Make your decisions. And with some of these names that are up 200%, like be careful, be very careful, right? A lot of them are going to end up going to the abyss tomorrow if the companies don't do offerings. Well, either way. La, 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 la. Okay, let me take a look again here. Oh wow, sheesh! It's a pretty nice run on that on the futures there. A pretty nice run on the futures. That would have been a nice little short pizza for futures. Sounds good. Performance back. Sounds good. Anyways, see you tomorrow. Then I heard a voice. Oh my goodness, virus. That is pretty funny. Wow. Wild. Rumble new highs from the bottom. 665. Was that a short joke? No. His virus is anyways. 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 La, 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 la. Okay, perfect. 668. 668. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And what's happening? What's happening? Come on, give us one more run into the close. Anybody planning on holding anything overnight though? Let me know. Any overnight holds? Any overnight holds? Okay, hold on. Look at some of these. My goodness, bye. Crazy. You're holding fun overnight? RVSN. Okay. You're thinking about NCL? You're holding bets and kids? Okay, bets. Bets. Is that the 20 or the chrono? 74. Nice drop actually. They're presenting in Vegas tomorrow. Oh, okay. NCL. I'll take a look. Before the market closes. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Na, na, na. Uh, okay. Six. Pre- no, no, no. Mm, what's happening, Johnny? Uh, hmm. Nvidia's back up. It's crazy. Crazy what these stocks are doing. Crazy, crazy, Wes. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Any bets on where it might be tomorrow? On Twitter? Yeah, Twitter is usually one thing though. For now, honestly, you have a nice position. So if I were you, I would just watch it really closely after hours. Alrighty, I would just watch it closely after hours, and then if it's pumping, then you can hold it overnight and see what it's doing tomorrow. Don't take any predictions for tomorrow when you haven't seen after hours yet. So if this thing is crashing below $7 and it's going below $6, then after hours tomorrow doesn't really matter because the next day it's going to go to the abyss. So hmm. Uh, let's go, Tesh. Where are you going? See you tomorrow. Okay, sounds good. Have a wonderful afternoon. See you tomorrow. Always close after I stream. Okay. Let me look at bets actually. Bets. Bets. Bets does I mean it's up $1 though. I wish it wasn't up $1, but it's up $1. But it's also coming from a really nice bottom. So I can kind of see why this thing has all this hype. It's day one of a rally. Day one of the rally. So yeah, not too bad. We maybe need to look at that float list, the reverse split list. See what else is on there. See what else is on there. 450. Hmm. You bought all those shares at 450. Dang. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Options overnight, Dan. Dan, it depends when they expire. Depends when they expire. If they expire this Friday, yeah, let me know. Like, when did they expire? What strike and how green are you? Like, if you're really green, I would just let me know. Give me some details. Oh, you average down? Okay, that's quite a play. It is. It is. It is. It is. I mean, if that thing can give us a push into the close, I think it would be a lot more appealing. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. I hope that works out though, because I kind of hate that company. So they expire on the. Oh wow, you have a lot of time. Okay. What strike and how green are you, Dan? You bought a lot of time on those calls. A lot of time on those calls. Let me know. Mm, la, 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 la. I better go after hours. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Let's at least get to 69. I agree. So smash a like. Let's get to 69. Hit that subscribe if you're new. No, 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 no. Mm, mm, mm. Uh, hmm. Um, oh wow, beautiful. See, yeah, you're up 191, 92, 92%, right? So that's amazing, Dan. You think it'll run again tonight? I don't know. I again, like, if Trump wins, if because it depends on so much, right? Who knows? We're basing this off somebody winning. What if he doesn't win and then you're losing all the money? So you're up 191%. I would take out the money you put in there. Like, I would take out your initial investment and then leave the rest. If that thing explodes tomorrow, you're gonna print more monies, right? But it's gonna be on free monies. So I would take off the table what you initially put in there, and then yeah, replace it with when you're up 190%, right? You take out your monies, you leave the rest there. If it goes up 2,000% tomorrow, you're gonna be happy either way. You know? No, no, no. Okay, perfect. No, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. So the reason why I was laughing was because Virus, he sent me a message. So he goes outside, right? He goes outside. I don't know why what he's doing outside. It's raining. Okay. Um, he was outside in the rain, and then he put it. He says, he put like his hands up. I bet you he was holding a position, and then he's like, God, why? And then he heard a voice, so he's standing outside in the rain. He's short spy or something. I don't know. Something. He's standing outside. He's like, God, why? Why? And then he hears a voice. And the voice goes, uh, I don't know if I want to swear on stream, right? So then the voice says, shut the f off, um, and then he's like, it's Virus's wife telling him to shut up. Anyways, yeah. Anyways, unbelievable. Yeah, Bet is back to 4:30. It's interesting what it's doing. There goes RVSN, same range. Good support, solid resistance. RUM is selling off a bit. Virus the goats. Yes. Everybody's loving bets. Good hold seems like a pretty undervalued now, especially with the China news. Well, bets better pump after hours. Yeah. To 38 again, Wes. You want another entry? Maybe, perhaps, perhaps. Yeah, looks okay for now. Mm, 7 and 8. But then, hmm, 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 hmm. Na, 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 na. Doo, 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 doo. Interesting. Oh, la 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 la. Yes. Na 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 na. 5 piece. Actually, don't mind how slow that is. Yeah, DWAC is bouncing. Ooh, we look at DWAC. $54 again. What a beautiful stock. What a beautiful stock. La 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 la. Except for RUM, boring day. You mean like DWAC and Rumble and RVSN and FAZE? All these stocks that are up 200%, Gary? It's boring. Today's the least boring day over the last however long. Na. And NVVE. Like today's not boring, not one bit. Not one bit. I bet you even if you looked at AMC is not boring today. Yup. Yup. Uh, it's popping. Speaking of boomskis, NVVE 87%. Yup. Yup. Nice bottoms. See what the problem is, Richard, with this position. I hope your stop loss. Well, I mean, your stop losses are $5, right? You're way safer waiting for these demand zones, right? Because if you bought this thing in the green zone, guess what? This is a green zone, right? It bounced off that level so many times instead of buying the double tops because then you're having to. That thing is pumping. 590. Ooh wee, $5 6. Dang. That's a really nice move. 5 to 6. Beautiful. Okay, I have to listen to this voice note. Uh, $6. Okay, let me listen to this note. Okay. Uh, 608. Some nice rallies into the close actually. Sold it earlier for a little loss. Yeah, NVVE. Yeah, exactly. But then again, right, Richard, when you're looking for these positions, look for those demand zones or look for the breakouts. Because you bought a double top. You bought right there where those red arrows are. That's resistance. Whereas you're much safer in a demand zone, right? Look at this beautiful green zone at the bottom. Green, 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 green light, green light, green light, green light, right? Boom skis. Um, so yeah. So look for those demand zones. La 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 la. Okay. 81. Not bad actually. Um, uh, okay. This is a different kind of question. You're open to feedback. What's the question, Kimbella? I don't see a question. I just see this message. Got our break even, Wes. Yeah, it's annoying when you do that and then it ends up going in the direction, right? Yeah, ends up going in the direction you want it to go. Okay. Hmm. If you had three stocks that were down out of 10, which would you sell? If you had three stocks that were down out of 10, which would you sell? It depends. It depends. Depending on how much you're holding. Yeah, it depends on so much. Depends on so much. You would need to look at those positions and see if the ones you're holding, if they're performing. Like if something is performing and you're like, you know what, I have these 7 positions, they're all green, but they have a lot more room to go, then why sell them? Why also, like if you're holding something and like if it's sitting on resistance, if you see resistance but it's green, like sure you can sell it. If you're holding 3 red positions but like you let those positions go to the abyss, now they're sitting on support, why sell them, right? So it depends. You have to look at like all of those positions on their own. But now if you're holding Mullen, if you're holding AMC, you have no hope, right? So it depends what you're holding. Yeah, it's not a general answer. Yeah, exactly, virus. There's so many times where like someone's asked me, hey, like I'm down 50% on this position, I should probably sell it now, right? And then you look at the chart and you're like, you let it crash already. It's like it's at zero. It's already at the bottom. You sell it now and then it goes back up. Boom skis. Um, yeah. Yeah, we did that last week actually. We did that last week with one of the members. We had a one-on-one and she was holding a position from $3 to 80 cents, right? And then the question was, okay, do I sell this position now? But it was sitting at a double bottom, right? Guess what happened after hours? If she sold that position, that stock went up 100% after hours, right? Then you can maybe add and then you can average down and then get out for the rally. There's so many things you can do. Is one of AMC is one of the positions. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. AMC is one of those three positions. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's almost one position where like it doesn't matter where it's at. It's still a good time to sell it. It doesn't matter. You don't need to look at the AMC chart. You're like AMC, oh yeah, sell it. I'm kidding by the way, but yeah. When you let something crash, honestly, you've had it for almost a year plus. Yeah, that means you're down in the abyss. When you're holding something like that, now the question is, okay, like how much left? Like, did you invest $1,000 and there's $2 left? Why sell it, right? Also, like, what does the AMC chart look like? Is it at support? I don't know if that thing has support, but yeah, either way, you'd have to look at the charts. Yeah, exactly. This is why when you take a position, guys, it doesn't matter what type of position it is. Like, plan it out. Plan out your trades immediately. Like immediately plan out the trades, right? Because I bet you you're down 50% on AMC, more than 50% on AMC. If I ask you on day one, hey Kimbella, okay, you're buying AMC today. Do you want to be down 50% in a year? The answer is absolutely not. Hell no, I don't want to be down 50%. Okay, can we set a stop loss at 5%, 10% then? Okay, cool. That's the plan, right? Yeah, exactly. You're down more than 50%, right? Stuff like this happens when you buy something and you don't have a plan and then you just diamond hand it, right? No, it's not embarrassing. Like we've all been there. You live and you learn, right? Everybody's been there. Oh, yeah, I've been in option positions where they're down 99%, actually where they expire at zero, right? So it's not embarrassing. It's just you live and you learn. Next time, just have a plan, right? If you're gonna buy something, just be aware that you know what, this is my stop loss. Yeah, exactly, Wes. Exactly, exactly. My goodness, that thing doesn't stop, does it? Uh, uh, um, NNDM. Oh yeah, I remember that scam. I remember that scam, Vladimir. Yeah. I mean, every day people would spam stuff like Kathy Woods is buying NNDM. Okay, I have 14 minutes. Kathy Woods is buying. Kathy Woods is buying. Guess what? The price just kept going down. Yep, that was another one. Two stocks I hate, Vladimir. Two stocks I hate very much. Very much. This is why, honestly, like I like technicals. Technicals don't fail. Something doesn't look good, the chart is going to tell you AMC stopped looking good at $40, $50, right? It wasn't at $10, it wasn't at $5. AMC stopped looking good all the way up there. Yeah, CYN is having a nice rush, nice push into the close. It's almost testing a double top there, but that's a really good close. Wow. Of course, you see the past, and yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness, it's a very nice push for CY. And these guys had news earlier today, around the same time as like FARZE phase, around the same time. Scaling into a position so you can manage the downtrends. Very hard to time a perfect support level. So nibble at the exactly west. I was all long time. I just discovered day trading about 27 days ago. So yes, you've taken a beating. Yeah, yeah. Nine, Vladimir. Yeah, that's it's annoying, isn't it? You live and you learn, though. Ex- The future's bright. You're at the right place. Yeah. Yes, you are, Kimbella. Again, there's a lot of educational stuff, right? So once you're in Discord, watch those videos, ask questions. But once sell it, just keep buying little by little, average down, and maybe one day, just a sell out. Vladimir, yeah. The other question now to you, Vladimir, is opportunity cost, right? It's opportunity cost. You're seeing like you could have made that money multiple times over on other names. You know, you could be in fund making 100%, right? But you're waiting for AMC, or you're waiting for like whatever name, right? It doesn't matter. I'm just using AMC as an example. Yes, you know, 27. Cool. Uh, no, no, no. Uh, actually, no, no. Anyways, 1770. Nice push. Nice push. I left almost nothing. So this is all thanks to the M Finance. That's where it started. M1 Finance. M1 Finance. Okay. Thanks to the stupid broker. Oh, okay. I see. Yeah. Yeah. No, Vladimir, you live and you learn. It's unfortunate. We've all been there. We've all been there. So you live and you learn. Yeah. Dang it. La 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 la. Okay. Back in fun at 41. Okay. Fun at 41. Every day moving forward. Let's go, Vladimir. Coming to your channel. Perfect. Yeah, hang out with us. You made let's go. Beautiful. See? You can make that money back, right? In other place instead of waiting for like your one name to recover. 350 so far, small trades here and there. Yeah, just keep doing that. Small trades, Just keep doing that. And then you're gonna be fine. So small trades here and there. Okay, we have 8 minutes. Do I need to close out any positions here? Do I need to close out any positions here? I think so. I think so. Okay, I think so. 7, 10. Okay. Small trades. Why am I being roasted? What did I do? 3, 4. Agreed. 7. Hmm, 6, 8, 7. One second. Sweet. Sure. Hmm. $6.50. No, 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 no. Hmm, two. Spy? Isn't that crazy? No way, right? Oh yeah, no, it's Spy is just like just crazy. I don't know. Like it's look at FaZe, guys. Look at FaZe. Look at FAZE from 200%, guys. 200%. From 200%, 56 cents to 33 cents. This is one you cannot trust for now. Secure those monies and move on, please. SPY. There's yeah, yep, yep. That's crazy. Is Christian is on Christian Mingle? What's Christian Mingle? Christian Mingle is like Mingle. That sounds like someplace. Sounds like sounds like one of those like sites like OnlyFans. Na, 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 na. Dating sites. For the ATM to go pay my plug. Oh, Joe. Uh, oh, wow. Sheesh. Yeah, DWAC is below $50. DWAC is back to red for the day. Yep. This is why you want to pay yourself with these crazy things, guys. You want to pay yourself. Pay yourself. Like, it's not like this we're pumping because like there's a nice catalyst that is like, it's just retail hype. Yeah. Retail hype. Yeah. So, huh? Oh, eight. Okay. 60 and 22. 60 and 22. Oh. Okay, so market's closed. Market's closed. DM. Yeah. Hmm. Interesting. Cool. Let's see if anything shows up after hours here. Na 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 na. See if anything shows up after hours. Momentum. Ooh, nice momentum plays today. Very nice. Anyways, yeah. So last Netflix. Oh yeah, that I'm forgetting Netflix. Forgetting Netflix. Netflix earnings. What happened? Oh, Netflix is pumping. Oh my goodness. Netflix is pumping. We Yeah. So some of you guys bought like a call of Netflix. Are those earnings actually? Opportunity for yeah, missed. Is Tesla gonna do this when they announce earnings? Who are we kidding? Tesla only knows one road. That's the road to the abyss. Okay, so what are the earnings looking like though? Okay, so Netflix earnings out. They beat. So Netflix Q4 revenue of 8.8 billion. Estimate was 8.7. La, la, la. Yeah, so they beat earnings for the most part. For the most part. For the most part. Okay. For the most part, I'll post those earnings in Discord. So anybody that wants to look. Doo-doo-doo. 525. Hopefully it stays up there. Don't seem so bad anymore. No. Hopefully it stays up there though. Tesla better pump before earnings. But I would not be very hopeful. Yeah, I hope it pumps before earnings too. Or again, maybe better opportunities. So Spy ended up closing at a pretty nice price, and then it continued after hours. Kind of. Yeah, Spy is up there. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Other than Netflix, is there anything else? Anything else? Uh, where did we close? Cool. Do I have any open orders? I do. Orders open. What about this? Crazy. RDHL, thank you. Thank you, thank you. RDHL. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, that's a nice little push. 15%. Is there news for this? No. Wait, what? MMAT is doing a split? Oh yeah. Well, I guess these guys haven't done a split. Uh, I think RDHL is just more of a. Oh no, they do have news. They do have news. It's one of those patents. Yeah, patent news. Thank you, Wes. Yeah, yeah. Meta, Meta splits. Meta splits. There goes the RDHL. La, 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 la. Line towards a vast lead sector. Well, yep, yep. Please and thank you. Yeah, Joe. Is Netflix still? Netflix is 4%. It's not too bad, but not really doing much. As we know, though, with these names, it usually takes 30 minutes to an hour for them to pick up. So unless they have news, it usually takes time for these names to like start pumping. Like the ones we looked at, like the Rumbles and Fun. But if you do have a catalyst, you can run right away. So RDHL is moving, 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 moving. I will check. Yeah, 107 for RDHL. Okay. February 9. Quite a ways in. Quite a ways in. And 31st. 31st to the 2nd. Cool. Is the news worth a gamble? Well, I know how I play after hours in pre-market, and that's not it yet. Resistance at $1.10. Okay, sounds good, Joe. Have a wonderful evening. See you in Discord. Be safe. Be safe, please. Be safe. Please and thank you. Okay, let's see. La la la. Just want to see what the daily looks like on this thing. See where the bottom is on this thing. So 77. Cool. And then this candle is 86. Okay. So is that candle. This candle is 92. Okay. Cool. Just scaling long-term stuff, Joe, like we talked about. So just have to look at some of these and kind of plan it out. To the vote. Hours. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. EVAX is exploding. Yeah, look at that. That thing failed at $1.10, right? So, like I said, I play hours a very after hours in pre-market a very specific way, and it's not FOMO. It is not FOMO. I don't really care what the stock goes to. Don't really care. Not going to FOMO though. Oh my goodness, look at that they go. After ADS. Why does it almost seem like a buyout? Because I don't see any news here. Let me take a look. Yeah, crazy. Tesla is crazy. 209, 209, 209, 209 demand zones. Demand zones, demand zones, demand zones. Cool. Yeah, that thing is hard to catch. They had a reverse split? Oh, okay. La la la. It depends, Kodai. So it depends if your stop loss doesn't, like your mental stop loss doesn't hit. Like if you're holding bets, you better have a stop loss, right? And you're watching that thing after hours, right? If it keeps holding, then you're fine. This thing actually had a very weak close. So to me, like I would be watching this $4 level and hoping that it stays above $4. If it stays above it, then you might be okay. But you should have that plan though, right? This is my entry, this is my stop loss. If this thing hits at any point now or after hours, I get rid of it. If it doesn't, then maybe overnight, right? So the performance really matters. It's not about like the opinion, it's more so about like performance. So maybe catches a vibe. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we should probably watch it closely. If that thing goes above $1.10, Wes, it might do some nice things. So especially with all these crazy stocks lately. Uh, yeah, so I'll be watching that 110 level, West. Like the typical. What's the float on this? What's the float? 19 million. A little bit high. A little bit on the high side. Yeah, fun is Rumble is still dipping a bit. What's fun doing? Phase is at 28 cents, guys. So, yep, there you go, right? Sometimes when you're gifted 200%, you take it and move on. Yeah, fun is at 45 cents, almost, almost, almost. Same silliness. Yesterday it did nothing and then ran after hours. Maybe they drop an offering out right after the Fed. Yeah, yep. Uh, yep. You're back in a yeah, back in a 41 you mentioned earlier. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Okay, do I want to create a new channel here? Uh, let's see. Challenge. All of them. Okay, where do we want to put this thing? Okay. What are we doing here? Still going sideways? Yeah, that thing has a bigger flow than I. Yeah, just watch for the breakout for now. Okay. Edit. La, 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 la. Crazy volume. Crazy volume. It actually does look good. Actually looks good. $9 resistance there for EVAX. EVAX. Uh, la, la. Funded a challenge. Uh, a year. Swings. With okay. Fire. There's a new channel in Discord. New channel. Uh, I want. Do I just leave it where it's at now, or do I move it? I'm gonna leave it where it's at. Deal. Deal. Let me guess the name. No, it's no, it's called the challenge account. So Josh wanted to fund one of like a challenge account virus streets. No, Josh wanted to fund a challenge account, and so we can play with it and see where it goes at the end of the year. You know, so yeah, yes, 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 yes. What's Bets doing? Yeah, Bets is rubbish. Weak close, super weak close. So yeah, yep. $4 could not hold. Straight to the abyss. Straight to the abyss. Fun hit 40, almost 46 actually. Almost 46. Almost 46. RDHL, what are we doing with that one? Still stalling. RDHL. Yeah, still a 105. 105. CYN. Yeah, that one's doing CYN. CYN. Hmm. Yeah, it's gonna need to break above like 1850, 1820. Yeah, this one's been pumping all day though. Like it's been spammed a few times. I know M is in this one. A few people are in this one. So yeah, it needs to break out, Musty. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, guys, we will leave it here for today. Me. We will leave it here for today, y'all. Have a wonderful evening. Be safe. Smash the like before you go. Hit that subscribe if you're new. Take a look in the breaking news channel, DP. There's news in there. And yeah, so if you want to become a member, click the link at the bottom. Join us in Discords. Send me an email if you become a member. Blah blah blah. And I'll catch you guys. Catch you guys in Discords. Alrighty. Alrighty, y'all. Much love. Be safe. Bye, guys.